The virus in the dust. Some dangers announce themselves loudly, others hide in silence, waiting in places we rarely notice. Inside abandoned rooms, dusty corners, and forgotten spaces. A microscopic threat may already exist. This is the story of Hantavirus. You cannot see it, you may not feel it, but you can breathe it in. And sometimes that single breath can change everything. Hantavirus hides in dust unseen from rats and mice where it has been. If we ignore the warning signs today, the next pandemic may find its way. What is hantavirus? What exactly is hantavirus? Hantavirus is a dangerous viral disease mainly spread by rodents such as rats and mice. Humans usually become affected after inhaling tiny virus particles released into the air. Rodents are one of the most successful group of mammals on earth. In fact, nearly 40% of the mammal species are rodents. That means humans live around them almost everywhere. Rodents are found in all the continents except Antarctica. And from cities to forests, from farms to abandoned buildings, their presence is global. One of the most well-known carriers is their mouth. Rodents are identified by their continuously growing incisor teeth, two in the upper jaw and two in the lower jaw. These animals may look harmless, but they carry the deadly virus. The deer mouse is a carrier. It belongs to the class Mammalia, order Rodentia, and its scientific name is Pyromyscus maniculatus. Hantavirus is not limited to one country. Different strains have been discovered in North America, South America, Europe, and Asia. Different rodents carry different versions of virus. Scientists have identified several strains of hantavirus, including Synombre and Andes virus. These are single-stranded, tri-segmented RNA viruses. Hantavirus is not a new virus, but scientists continue to monitor it carefully because some strains can cause severe lung failure and ultimate death. The virus spreads mainly through tiny airborne particles. Rodents' urine, blood, nesting material, their dead bodies, their droppings, and their saliva. When humans inhale contaminated dust, infection may begin. The 1993 outbreak. In 1993, doctors in the southwestern United States noticed something very terrible. Healthy young people suddenly began suffering severe breathing problems, and some died within a few days. One shocking case involved a 19-year-old marathon runner from Navajo community. He arrived at hospital struggling to breathe and died within few hours. Soon, doctors discovered that his fiancée had died from the similar symptoms just days before, and a medical mystery begins. Even today, hantavirus breakouts continue to rise. Health organizations still monitor unusual cases carefully because when disease jumps from animals to humans, the scientists used to pay attention. CDC is responding to deadly hantavirus outbreaks on a cruise ship in the Atlantic Ocean, and this is a report of 2nd May 2026. Hantavirus spreads mainly in three ways: by breathing contaminated dust, touching infected surfaces, or in rare cases, through rodent bites. The greatest threat is often invisible. A person cleaning an old attic, basement corners, storage rooms, or abandoned buildings may unknowingly inhale dangerous virus particles. Zoonosis. Major outbreaks in human history begins in this way. Hantavirus is known as a zoonotic disease. That means that the infection spreads from animals to humans. Nature contains countless microorganisms. Most are harmless, some are deadly, and some continue to evolve in silence. At first, the symptoms may feel like a common flu. These symptoms include fever, headache, muscle pain, fatigue, and chills. But then the situation can suddenly become dangerous. Severe coughing begins, breathing becomes difficult, suffocation occurs, fluid may start filling inside the lungs, which is known as pleurisy, and in serious cases, the patient requires oxygen support and intensive medical care. Hantavirus is feared because symptoms are worsened extremely fast. Some patients go from mild fever to life threatening lung failure within a very short period of time. The sudden decline makes the disease especially dangerous. One severe condition of hantavirus is known as HBS. It stands for Hantavirus Pulmonary Syndrome, and the other severe condition is HFRS, that is hemorrhagic fever with renal syndrome, and both the conditions can seriously damage the body. When the lungs begin to fail, oxygen level drops dangerously low, the body struggles to survive, and doctors must act quickly to save the patient. The infection moves inside the lungs, then towards the blood vessels, and then towards the kidney. Scientists continue study hantavirus for several reasons. Number one, rodent populations are increasing in some regions of the world. Number two, climatic changes affect the animal habitats. Number three, human contact with wildlife is growing. And number four, that the viral mutations are always possible. Scientists agree that zoonotic diseases deserve serious attention. At present, there is no vaccination for the hantavirus in many parts of the world. Treatment mainly focuses on the supportive medical care, especially during the severe lung complications. As cities grow warmer and urbanization expands, rodents population may increase as well. More rodents can make greater chances of human exposure. Modern cities may unknowingly create new risks. Fortunately, the prevention is possible. Keep your homes free of rodents. Seal food containers and wall openings. Wear gloves and masks when cleaning the dusty areas. Never sweep rodent dropping dry. Use disinfectant sprays, sanitizers, and keep the bathroom and the kitchen drains covered. Mouse traps and proper disposal methods help reduce risk. Safe sanitation and careful cleaning are extremely important in preventing the infections. Disinfectants and dilute bleach solutions can help kill virus particles on contaminated surfaces. Simple hygiene practices can sometimes save lives. Interestingly, mice dislike certain strong smells such as mint, lavender, cloves, vinegar, onions, and eucalyptus. These are often used as natural rodent repellents. Some dangers roar across the world and some drift quietly through the dust. Hantavirus reminds us that even the smallest organism can shape human history. Awareness is protection. Science is our defense. Stay informed, stay safe, stay smart. Thank you for watching.